today. I'm working tomorrow.
But it's Saturday.
I know. I've got to work overtime.
What, you have to do that every week?
Oh, Cody, I'm not in the mood for this discussion again.
Hey, Rose needs both of us, okay?
That's not fair. Using her.
I'm not using her. I'm just stating a fact. Why don't we just go ahead and tell her that we're divorcing?
Oh, just like that?
Yeah. May, this isn't any easier for me.
Let's not tell her. Let's stay friends instead. Yes, let's stay friends forever. I love you, Cody. I love you too, May.
Hey, honey, can I just take Elephant a sec? All right. Rose, honey, you know we love you, right?
Yeah?
And sometimes that means that, we have to do stuff that isn't always very fun.
What we're trying to say, darling, is that, well, Mum and Dad, we've decided to go our separate ways.
Okay. Can I go and play in my room?
Yeah, of course, sweet.
Dr. Hakim, you have to help me now. They have to stay together. Look, it says here, love is work, see? You have to work on it. You can't just give up. Mom, Dad, I wish you could be friends again.
you look like a blob of clay.
And why do you look like a wooden doll? Oh no. Look at that.
What have you done?
What? What? Why do you always blame me? Huh?
Yes. Why do you always blame him?
Thank you. Oh!
What is that?
I'm Dr. Haki, worldwide bestseller and an expert on love. Your daughter purchased me. She was lucky. I was the last copy because I was selling the best. I've helped millions of couples, and now I will help you two to get together again.
This is definitely a nightmare. I need to wake up.
No! No! Oh, May! May! Oh, you're back!
Oh my God. You can't wake up here.
Exactly.
Okay, Mr. Book. So, how do you wake up?
Cody, May, you're here to fix your relationship.
We just fixed it.
Yeah. We're, divorcing. It's all good.
No! I will help you fix your relationship. Chapter 1. Fix your relationship. Plus, I promised your daughter to fix your marriage. See, love is like a mountain. You two are like a river.
May, it's Rose.
Flowing in the
Come on, let's get to her. She must know what's going on.
butterflies floating in the mountains like lovebirds. You know what I'm saying? Hello? Hello?
How do we get up to her?
Oh, the stairs over there.
But we can't reach them. We're tiny.
Well, let's find a way.
Hey, May! Help me out here! Oh! Whoa, May! May, they're alive! What is going on here?
I have no clue. But whatever's going on, we can't lower that staircase without those fuses.
But those fuses? They just ran away! I mean, did you see them on their little fuse legs?
Oh, worry about that later. Let's just bring them back.
May? May, my body feels weird.
Because you're made of clay? Keep your eyes on the fuses.
Hey, don't you feel weird? I mean, you're made of wood?
A bit stiff,
Same here.
but it's getting better the more I move.
I hope so.
Oh, Cody, will you please focus?
All right. Let's get those fuses.
Oh, it's trapped. Let's get it out of there. Slippery fella, huh?
Cody, watch your head!
I am! Ouch! Back!
Can you please coordinate with me, Cody?
All right, all right.
Whoa! I think this power's up for Saw.
Yeah, let's check it out. Hey, May, I need you over here. Help! Whew. Wow. Hey, May, did you see my flip? Let's do it again.
Oh, we're not here to do flips.
Oh, no, you're right. This is serious. We're hunting fuses with legs.
All right, this is the last one. Let's put it in. Oh, perfect!
Let's go. What just happened?
Oh, those damn fuses! Oh,
May, there she is. Rose!
Rose, darling!
Hola!
God, not you again.
Oh, move out of the way, you stupid book!
Yeah, get out of the way. I need to go and talk to my daughter. Just
Your daughter? Oh, you talk like you own her. Ask yourself, can you really own the people you love?
you just let us through. Come on.
I will. But first, there's someone I want you to meet. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Ta-da!
Oh, what the hell is that?
Why do I recognize your voice?
Me? Oh, what? No, we've never met. Sorry.
Looks a bit like a vacuum cleaner.
Oh yeah.
Because it is your vacuum cleaner. Yo, vacuum, ¿qué pasa? You know who this guy is? Let me tell you, this is Cody. You know, the guy who suck up all kinds of crap in your stomach.
Oh, no, that's
That's you! You ruined my bowels with all that crap!
crap. What? I was just sucking up dust. That was it. Just. Oh, that's
Get there!
disgusting. Oh, look, there it is.
You call that just?
Well, I mean, you know, some of it's.
So that's why it broke down. It was your fault.
Oh,
And you promised him you'd fix me!
thank you.
Instead, you put me away for life in here!
Yep.
Oh, God.
You wanna get back to Rose?
Yes.
You wanna talk to your daughter?
Yes.
Then you need to climb the vacuum together.
Oh, come on.
Why are you doing this to us?
Because you two must learn collaboration.
That's not our strong point.
Aha! You know, collaboration is the key to a successful relationship. Huh? Collaboration. You understand? Now, I'll see you later. Hasta la vista. Good luck.
All right, bye-bye now, crazy book.
This would never have happened if you hadn't broken it.
Oh, yeah? Well, this would never have happened if you had fixed it like you promised.
Well, I didn't know we'd end up in a place where our vacuum cleaner's alive.
Well, now we are. Huh? Maybe we're stuck here forever.
Forever? No way. We're getting a divorce.
Yeah, I know we're getting a divorce, but we can't do that unless we get back into our real bodies.
Okay. Let's climb that damn vacuum cleaner.